I'm Arlene. I'm 35 from British Columbia, Canada. 4 kids, 18, 15, 3, and 1. The reason why I started keto is, after having so many kids and focusing so much on them, I kind of needed something that was just my own thing, and I really felt like I needed to be healthier. I gained a ton of weight. That was one of the main reasons. Like, I started to feel it in my body and, soreness, and I was just always tired. I literally tried everything under the sun, from pills to crash diets, and every single time, I may have lost, some water weight, which would have been maybe like 1 or 2 pounds, and then end up gaining like 10 pounds back. I've now lost just under 85 pounds in the last almost 7 months. The reason why I've been able to be so consistent this time around and actually stick to it a lot better is honestly because of Kiss My Keto products. I have a number of their products, from the bars, which I love and I'm absolutely obsessed with. They give me energy, keep me full. I don't even always have to eat a full bar, and I still feel like I'm cheating, even though it's something that actually is good for me and that fuels my body in the right ways. The C8 Brain Fuel, I can't even tell you, like, my mental focus is so much better. Mommy brain is a real thing. And with a 1-year-old and just having had another child, my mommy brain was at the max. Like, I literally left my cell phone and the remote in the fridge on 2 separate occasions. But, since, the MCT-C8, I'm a lot sharper now, so the kids can't put a lot of things past me. Keto BHB is a great one for on the go. The MCT oil powders are fabulous for, cooking, baking, especially mug cakes. Most definitely. Keto has improved my life in so many different ways because, again, the energy, the mental focus, my mood. I used to get really cranky all the time if I didn't get a chocolate bar or some sugar, something. And now I'm able to control that better. For me to keep up with all my kids, to stay awake when I need to stay awake. And honest to goodness, like, my health has improved so much. I used to get sick all the time. If the kids brought something home from school, or if we were out somewhere or with family and a family member was sick, I would be the first one to get sick, and I would stay sick the longest. And now when everybody else is sick in the house, I am honestly the last person to get sick, or I don't get sick at all. Keto is a lifestyle. It's not a diet. I say it all the time. My family has gone keto by accident as well. My husband ended up losing probably about 20 pounds just because I'm eating better. He loves the bars as well. I have to hide them from him for when he leaves for work. So yeah, that's my story.